Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Actually, it probably won't be short because this is the Going Gear monthly EDC Club box. You can check these out by checking out the link down in the description. There's a budget box, or less expensive box, and then there's the premium box, which is usually what they send me. The benefit of watching me open this is you can check out these items individually on the website if you don't want to, go and get the actual EDC Club package, or you can do that. Either way, it's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to Going Gear for sending this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. The last year of this has actually been very good. Now, you're still, this is still kind of, rolling the dice because you don't know what's inside. But the value of everything inside is always going to be more than what you pay. And there were, as I said a little over a year ago, sometimes it didn't feel like the value was very good. But the last 12 or 13 of these have actually been pretty awesome. So yeah, we'll check out and see what we've got here. We obviously have some type of premium best deck. We have something from Woobin, and then some type of multi-tool here this month. It just depends, if you're the type of person who likes to roll the dice on stuff like this and see what you get, or if you'd rather know for sure, right? So what we have here is, I'll actually show you the paper real quick. You can look if you want to. The first thing here, I want to look at the Night Eyes RFID blocking wallet multi-tool. We think this makes a great backup wallet, etc., etc. Okay, interesting. Let's take a look. I don't know if I'm going to get this all the way out because I'll probably end up giving this away. If you guys don't know, a lot of the stuff like this I give away on live streams. So if you're not subscribed and you've never checked out one of my live streams, a lot of the stuff I get for free ends up getting given away. So that's probably what this will end up with. 10-in-1 tool. Let's see here. Okay, interesting. I mean, it's $12, but yeah, I think I kind of get the idea. We'll let you look at the back here. Yeah, okay. Very cool. Interesting. Not going to open it all the way up, but that's fine. We got something from Woobin. Woobin. Okay. What do we have here? The Woobin X3 Light Talk Owl. Very excited to get this liner EC maximum 700 lumens. A lumen red light. Maximum runtime of 50 hours. The head rotates 180 degrees to allow you to adjust the angle according to your needs. Okay, so that's the owl part. Okay, I am going to open this up, and this will also eventually, be something that gets given away. But I still want to see it and see what we actually got going on here. Okay, interesting. How does it rotate? That's what I want to see. Do you just twist? I don't want to break it. I am uncertain as to how this works. I figured it out. Okay. That's kind of neat. So you can have it standing like this. Is it magnetic? Let's find something. It is. Okay, I wish I had something to demonstrate. There we go. Yeah, that's neat. So it'll, I think it only rotates one way. Yeah. So you can have it like this. And then, is there a way to actually, oh, okay. So it is on. Is it locked? I have no idea. I have no idea how to get it to function. I mean, it turns on, and it's got an 80 lumen. You just have to trust me that it turns on. Has an 80 lumen flashlight, or an 80 lumen red light, and then up to 700 lumens on the regular one. That's kind of cool. That's a $109 value. Aluminum charging box that doubles as a diffuser. To get the flashlight in and out of locked mode, press the button 4 times and the flashlight is off. Okay. Ooh, okay. So you hold it down. Oh, there we go. And it says right on there what's going on. That's kind of neat. I like the LEDs there. Goes way up. So you can crank it up by holding it down to 150, and then probably there's some other, the manual here is going to show everybody, or show you exactly how to get it into the other modes. Out of locked mode 4 times. Hold down the button when the flashlight is off to access the red LED. Oh, very cool. Okay, that's pretty cool. The only other time I've seen that is on my Citadel. Huh. Okay. Yeah, that's actually pretty sweet. That's a cool flashlight. Very cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it go back into locked mode? Yeah, okay. I like the little screen there too. That is definitely a more interesting flashlight. All right, and then the final knife is, yeah. Okay, so this knife actually costs more than the entire, substantially more than the entire EDC Club box. So this isn't a bad deal at all. This is actually a really nice knife, and I've got a review of it. You can check the review of this knife out on the channel. This is the Bestech Sin, and it's actually one of the cooler knives that I've seen from Bestech in a bit. I think these, I think it says they're $280. Now that's a pretty high price tag, but the fact is that if you wanted to buy this knife by itself, it's a $280 knife, right? And it's nice. I think these are most likely M390 or maybe LMAX. Does it say? Here. Yeah. LMAX, titanium, right? Steel lock bar insert, micarta, titanium clip, titanium backspacer. Really nice and extremely good action. Extremely good. But you know, the box is $200 and the combined value of everything here is well over $3. It's almost $4. Really? $109 for the flashlight, $279 for the Bestech. So we're looking at $379. $389 because it's $109. Yeah, wow. So there was $400 worth of stuff in that box. If the box is still $200, which I honestly don't know, it was when they started this. The value on this one was really good. Not bad at all. The Bestech will also end up being something that I give away. Here recently, what I've been doing is packing everything into 10 identical pouches, right? So it looks like this, and towards the end of my live streams, I let 2 winners choose from the pouches, and there's lots of different things in there. Stuff that I've received from retailers. So, for example, the flashlight, or maybe a $280 Bestech knife, right? And whatever people end up with is what they get. So that's kind of how I, like to do my live streams, and I like to use uploads like this to kind of remind people. So if you needed a reason to subscribe and you're wondering, what does he do with all this free stuff that he gets? Try to give it back. I keep stuff every now and then for sure. Who wouldn't? But yeah, this is cool. So this will make for a fun, for fun live stream content. But yeah, the box this month was pretty good. I like this in. Check out the review on that guy. Thanks again to Going Gear for sending this stuff in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.